Welcome to part 3. The moon's is now coming into the light again. It's now leaving the Earth's shadow. As you can tell here. Focus. It's hard to focus with the phone. But thankfully, I got my telescope out. So let's take a look at the moon. Here's the moon. Trying to hold the camera still as possible. That right there is the shadow. Here's another view. That's the shadow. You can actually see a little bit of the mountains on the moon. On the edges, you can see the mountains. Pretty cool. Here it is again. There's the shadow. Ah, shoot, it's a little hard to concentrate. There's the shadow. You can even see the mountains a little bit, like I said. Trying to move the telescope with the camera on it. Sorry. Hold on, let me put it a bit. It's a little hard to concentrate. There we go. Yeah. It's so hard to concentrate. Yeah. Yup. Here's another. So this is how the telescope moves. It goes in a 360 degrees. Like this is as high as it could face up. So you gotta turn the telescopes sometimes in order to look around places. There's actually two different types of telescopes, but I forgot the names of the other ones. This one's one of them. It's with this type of telescope. You look through here on the top of the telescope and the mirror's on the bottom, while other telescopes have scopes on the bottom instead of here on the top. So yeah, there's like two different types of telescopes. You probably didn't know that. It's a cool fact. Alright, back to the moon. It's a little hard to concentrate on the phone, like I said, yeah. Oh, I have my flashlight here too, just in case. For anything, I don't know. Let's see if I can concentrate on the moon again on the telescope. There it is. There's the light. Pretty cool. It is currently 10:18 p.m. on the west coast, and this is what the moon looks like. It surely does not look like a glowing orb like on my phone it shows, but it's actually just the moon. Oh, let me see. There it is. There's the moon. Oh yeah, I was thinking, maybe someone's gonna make a time lapse after this, or maybe they're already making one right now. Sorry for the shaking. It's hard to concentrate on the moon with the telescope. There's the shadow. It's getting smaller now. Yeah, someone's probably gonna make a time lapse after this is finished. Time lapse of the moon. And they would look pretty cool, so yeah. And also imagine people taking like these pictures of the time lapse, and then they put a picture by picture frame of the moon. You know, like you can see the first part of the moon being covered up by the shadow, and then at the end, it's the other end. You know what I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to explain. But let's just enjoy the final moments of the lunar eclipse, and I have no idea when the next one's coming up. But I did learn when the next solar eclipse is gonna happen. It's gonna happen on April of 2024, I think. That's from where I heard of. Yeah. Planes often fly through here. They look like UFOs in the night, but you can see their blinking lights. And there's like a highway here for airplanes. Airplanes always fly through here, like in this direction to head into the city. Looks pretty cool. Here's another view of the moon. There we go. Just a shadow. Oh yeah, and also another thing about my telescope, I can switch these, make them smaller, make them larger, or I can just fix on how it looks, make them blurrier, less blurrier. But that's what makes things closer and farther. It's like a microscope, but larger, and it's only designed for far distances. And it also has this scope. You can turn on a laser with this, but it doesn't really shoot like a laser up to the moon. It just shows a red light in this little scope here. Let me put it directly toward the moon. Yeah, it puts like a little laser. Oh, there we go. There's the laser. Yeah. Yeah, that's the laser. It's only designed for the scope itself. Let me take a... Yeah, that's the... You know, it's almost out of battery, yet somehow it's working well for some reason. There we go. Put it directly at the moon, which was exactly what it was designed for. Yeah. And the switch is right here. It's a little dark, but here it is. That's the switch. You turn it. And it's off. And now we get to look at the moon clearly. If that's even possible. Let's see. No, we do not. Oof. Yeah, there's another clear of the moon. Here's another view of it. Yeah. Pretty good. The moon is now almost bright to its fullest. It's hard to concentrate on the phone. Mostly easier on the telescope. Let me see if I can find the light. There he is. There we go. Yeah. Here's another view. There we go. It's almost gone now. The shadow. Let's see if we can catch it. Move a little bit. I'm gonna lay right here for a bit. Sorry for the shaking. Look at all the craters. The moon is as old as the Earth. Well, almost as old as the Earth after another planet called... I forgot the name, but yeah, hit the Earth. Made the Earth a little bigger. I don't know if it did make it a little bigger. I don't know. And then it created the moon because of all the debris that happened when the planets collided. Move the telescope a little bit because of the Earth's movement, because it's spinning. Gotta catch up to the moon. Ah, shoot. Okay, there we go. There's a big crater right there. Anyways, that's all for today. Subscribe. Feel free to subscribe, share, leave a like, and I will see you guys later. And today was a good blood moon to see. Alright, see you guys later.